Hello friends, so today no more management gyan. Today I will be talking about me time only that we want desperately during this pandemic. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. This is a place where you can have new age management skills and lifestyle tips for managers like you all. So these days we are all busy with office work, then with our children, online classes, and someone busy in the kitchen. It is really hard to find the time and the space for essential me time. But by making an effort to take time for you, it will benefit both your brain and the relationships. Here, what I highlight the very best ways to create me time at home during this pandemic or wherever you are in a lockdown situation. Like to start with, I can suggest to take a hot water bath. If you have a tub in your bathroom, there's a nothing like that, or you can take a hot shower during this winter time, which feel top of the world after you taking that. It is not only buys us valuable alone time, it also boosts our emotional well-being. And research shows that regular bath with hot water leads to a significant drop in feeling of pessimism about the future, and you get rejuvenated for the rest of your day. Then you can give yourself a massage. Yes, really. You can give yourself a foot massage as you can't go outside to go to take a massage, or you can book massage from the service app like Urban Club and any other apps. There are nothing like a good massage to really relax you, but you don't have to wait until the spas are open to get the benefit. Giving yourself or your partner a neck and shoulder massage is really easy and surprisingly effective. And then me time for hectic household. Watch something upbeat after days of entertaining preschooler, dealing with frequent calls, juggling between homeschooling and the work. It has never been more important to plan some really quality evening time downtown in front of your TV to see your favorite serial or maybe the favorite sport. A study suggests that TV helps to lower the cholesterol levels in women and men, which means less stress. Get outside alone, whether it is a walk through your local park or evening bike ride or just half an hour garden with a cup of tea. Schedule time outside with only yourself for company is a great way to boost a feeling of well-being. I suggest that a few minutes of solitude every day enhance the feeling of control over time and give a sense of freedom. Simply being outside can also improve memory, low level of stress, uh, and you can fight depression too. Then take up a new hobby with everyone desperate for escape. It is no wonder that these days hobby channels are getting very, very popular, and people are looking for hobbies like food, baking, gardening. Or look at me, I started my own YouTube channel. So it helps you to entertain and keep your mind fresh. Many people have taken up baking. One of my friends had opened up a bakery shop also through online. And mindful, it keeps your mind very occupied. By focusing on technique, you will be able to forget the day-to-day worries and stress for an hour or two. Is that a guitar that you bought a few years ago gathering dust in your closet? Dust it off, make it a habit to sit in front of your notes and start practicing again. These are literally dozens of YouTube tutorials that are available, and you can access them easily. Learn to dance or take up karaoke. Bring out your inner Elvis or maybe Michael Jackson. Then you can learn a new language too. There are very decent language courses which are available online like French, German, Spanish. You need to be disciplined if you are serious about this and carry on even after the lockdown. Then get creative or with the Zoom or Skype. Our love affair with Zoom and Skype and Microsoft Teams still continues. But we have moved beyond this awkward group chat with a friend and quizzes. Now we are hosting proper dress up dinner, making or meeting our parents for afternoon tea, or even on a dating app also. We are enlisted Zoom to provide a much needed creative workout with the Zoom membership. Online art classes becoming a boom, and many art schools and exercise classes putting their curriculum for the me time essential. Then get some exercise. Is there anything that working out can't help? Study shows that moving your body when you're stuck at home helps in many different ways. It helps you to relax, improve your sleep, boost your mood, decreases stress hormones and words of depression. That's why I always encourage you to lead more an active lifestyle to help you stay healthy and happier. Then meditate. If you never had the time or inclination to meditate before, now it is a great time to start spending a few minutes every day. Zooming out will provide much needed mental downtime during this lockdown. It could improve our responses, immune system, reduce depression and anxiety, and increase feeling of self-compassion. Developing a regular practice is key, which is why apps like Headspace, which provide courses of guided meditation, are very popular these days. Then you can read a book and keep on learning. You can never go wrong with your personal downtime if you spend it with having a good read. Take your mind off of the things and read stories that could get you elsewhere in the world. A nice book in your hand is also a step to learning different things and enjoy it. Somehow people may feel anxious and insecure about what about their future hold after everything gets back the way the things were. Let's not forget that what you do at this moment can contribute to your physical and mental health. Devote some time to have inner peace and just take things slowly. Sit still and be grateful for this moment, and do not pressure yourself too much to get things done. So, friends, if you all like my thoughts, give a huge thumbs up to my channel, share it, comment it, and subscribe it. Till I meet next, bye for now. Ciao.